Hey, what's up, everybody? So this is continuing the playthrough on the character where I stole the loot from Skalitz. Got like over 40,000 groschen worth of loot. Let's see the exact amount. Oh, so now I'm up to 50,000. Well, that might consider what I've looted off of bodies. I'm not sure. Um, but yeah, 68 locks picked, 46 civilians killed, and let's see how many people. I killed like 25 Cubans or something in the raid, and then oh, 24, and I guess I couldn't find any more. And then, my stats. Basically, I'm going to see if I can kill Runt my first try. And what am I looking at here? Let's look at my stats. So I have 20 strength, 20 vitality. For my skills, I did lock picking itself when I was leveling. Mainly just to get all those locks open and everything. And then I leveled the mace. I also leveled halberd, but you can't see the halberd skill. And then, warfare came along with that. So what I'm hoping is I'm going to pull out the halberd when I get down here and just try to see if I can kill Runt with that. I think it probably won't work, but it's worth trying. Doesn't hurt anything. My guy's also overfed right now, but I don't think that'll matter too much since I don't really sprint when I'm using the halberd. We'll see. So I'm going to go ahead and cut to when I get down here. Something else, though, I want to mention real quick is I have killed Zabishek on this save. I killed him back in Skalitz, so if he's here, that'll be, I guess, something that the developers didn't really think of. But he is killable, and I did kill him on this save, so it'll be interesting to see what happens there.
Hey, what are you up to?
Alright, so, let's see. To pick up the halberd, I guess I'll have to drop it and then pick it back up.
Come here.
This guy. Let's see.
Oh, ow. What's up? Shit yourself? Oh.
And as you can tell, if you didn't see the other video, the halberd is insane in this game. Especially since I have it skilled up, I have all these perks and everything. I mean, most enemies, if I hit them, it's like 1 or 2 hits and they're dead. It's really crazy.
He didn't run like me. He died with a sword in his hand.
And, okay, so is this... That might not be Zabishek, it might just look similar to him. Zabishek should show up right there, though. I believe after I find my parents' bodies.
You stood by his side and he did this to you. In the end, you were a hero. You didn't run away. Didn't abandon them like me.
Okay, so I need to go get that spade. Oh, sounds like he's back alive. That's disappointing. Yep, looks like he's back alive.
Never mind.
What?
I came. Easy there.
Okay.
You know
That's
That's right. Turn
Dropped
tail and run, you.
Halberd again. Halberd is really buggy in this game. It's actually really annoying. I wish they would fix it. I don't think you're supposed to use it though, so kind of makes sense. Okay, so now the moment of truth. I'm going to come over here and start digging. Before I start digging, I'm going to drink a potion, and hopefully that buff lasts through the cutscene.
This
We'll
is a good
see.
place. You're gonna like it here.
Let's see what I have. What does this do? Strength and warfare increased by 5. That's pretty huge. And then marigold think that'll do like a light heal over time if I use it in advance, so it's worth trying. I don't have anything to lose. I'm stuffed. I guess it won't let me, but I got the other one. I think my guy's tripping now from that. Where do I dig? Well, I guess that was alcohol. That makes sense. Okay. So let's see, we skip that. So now I'm getting attacked by them. My guy's all freaking out. Let's get I really need to drop that halberd without getting hit.
Why? Not you.
It's gonna be a real problem.
It wasn't supposed to be you, Bianca. I'll find the bastards that did this to you.
Oh, my halberd is gone. Okay. That's not good.
Come on.
Let's see, I don't know why Henry came all the way out here. Maybe I should just go back to my house, see if it's over there. Okay, so I've reloaded. A mistake I made last time was I had equipped the halberd before Runt had been summoned. This time I'm not going to equip the halberd until Runt is out. Hopefully this will prevent it from disappearing. Seems like the game really wants you to be using that sword when you fight him. So I'm guessing maybe it unequipped the halberd, and I don't know what it did with it after that. Alright, so here we go, round 2. Hopefully this goes better. We'll see what happens. So first we need to run away. Whoops. Almost ran right into him there. Now once we get some distance, I will switch my weapon. It looks like I'm getting away. So I just need to drop the halberd, pick it back up. Come on. Any day now, Henry. There we go. Oh, it looks like
What's
he's
the matter? I lost you.
unkillable. See, but he's not. Question is Runt unkillable? Answer is probably yes, but we'll see. He's trying to split them up right
Come
now.
on.
Oh, he is killable maybe. His health goes down at least.
Nah.
That hurt. I just want to spam. Oh, he's unkillable. Sucks. That's not fun.
Now.
Oh well. Can't say I didn't try.
Fuck. Herrgott!